The Eighth Circuit sustains the child porn conviction of Joshua Duggar. Josh Duggar, a former reality TV star and conservative family activist, will not be granted a second trial regarding accusations of possessing child pornography, an Eighth Circuit court decided on Monday. The oldest child among the 19 children featured in the TLC documentary series 19 Kids and Counting, Duggar was found guilty on 2 charges of possessing child pornography in late 2021 and given a 151-month jail sentence in 2022, following the discovery of hundreds of child pornographic picture downloads on a desktop computer in his Fayetteville, Arkansas, used car dealership. Federal prosecutors filed charges against Duggar. Duggar tried to pin the blame during his trial on a former worker who had also been found guilty of sexual offenses. However, the ex-worker was not asked to testify, since U.S. District Judge Timothy L. Brooks disallowed any discussion of his prior conviction from the jury. Duggar claimed in his appeal that Brooks' ruling denied him the opportunity to provide a comprehensive defense. Judge Brooks had unquestionable constitutional discretion to exclude the former employee's conviction from the record, according to U.S. Circuit Judge David Strauss, a Donald Trump appointee, who conducted a de novo review of the case. He further stated that the right to present a complete defense does not trump a district court's discretion to keep out confusing or misleading evidence, even if it would be helpful to the defense. George W. Bush appointee Chief U.S. Circuit Judge Levensky R. Smith and U.S. Circuit Judge Jonathan A. Trump appointee Kobes concurred with the viewpoint. In a follow-up, Duggar maintained that remarks he made to investigators while not having a defense lawyer present ought to have been omitted by the court. Duggar specifically asked if it was about someone downloading child pornography when police executing a search warrant first approached him. Later, they told him it was. Additionally, he acknowledged that he had downloaded an encrypted file-sharing program to all of his gadgets. The panel concluded that Duggar did not make the remarks freely while being detained or questioned. According to Strauss, we conclude that a reasonable person in Duggar's position would not have thought his freedom of movement was restricted, adding that his Miranda rights were not violated by the inclusion of his words. Lastly, Duggar attempted to criticize the immensely successful television program 19 Kids and Counting ran for 7 years until reports surfaced that Joshua Duggar had molested multiple of his younger female siblings both before and during the program's tenure. Following the disclosure of his membership on the adult dating website Ashley Madison, Duggar claimed to be addicted to porn and to have cheated on his wife, with whom he has a 2021-born daughter. Currently serving a low-security sentence at FCI Seagoville in Texas, is 35-year-old Duggar. The Federal Bureau of Prisons has set October 2, 2032 as his scheduled release date.